everyone wants to make more money, but the number one mistake we make is to stack up that money on bad money habits. Because at the end of the day, when you still have those habits, putting in more money, it will not solve the problem. You are definitely going to end up wasting that money because you haven't tackled the bad money habits that you have. You guys, our primary goal on this earth is to manage everything that we come in contact with. The biggest reality check that we have is that it is how we manage everything that has been placed in our hands that will determine our level of financial success. So in this video, we are going to be giving a reality check on what exactly happens to you or happens to us when we mismanage our money. So if this is the first time you are watching my video, my name is Chiamaka, and on my channel we talk about everything concerning money, the mindset you should have, how to make more money, how to invest more, manage your money so that you will have a lot more to invest. So if that is what you are interested in, I want you to continue watching this video, and I promise you that after this video you are going to understand how better you can manage your money. Think about it, right? If you make 2 million naira every year for the next 20 years, that is going to be a whole 40 million naira. But the question there now is, what did you do with the 40 million that was placed in your hands? Also, what did you do with the 40 million? How you were able to manage what is in your hands, whether it be 20,000 naira, 200,000 naira, or 2 million naira, is dependent on how you were either able to spend it by investing it. The point is that whatever you end up mismanaging, you will definitely lose it. If you mismanage your health, I'm sure you know the end story of that. If you mismanage your time, you feel like you don't have so much time in the world to do everything that you planned to do. And if you mismanage your money, you are definitely going to end up poor. So every aspect of our life revolves around management, and everyone can attest that the foundation of everything is money management. And just like everyone, when they start having money management problems, the first thing they do is to either get a better job or stack up on remote jobs just to increase their income. But that is really not the case. What we should first do is to learn how to manage the money that we already have. When we mismanage the money that you already have right now, trust me, you are definitely going to mismanage your money when you make more money. So the issue is not for you to go and make more money first. The key is that you should learn how to manage the money that you already have. Honestly, everyone wants to make more money, but the number one mistake we make is to stack up that money on bad money habits on top of poor money management. And that is where we see a whole lot of people that make so much money, or that they look like they make a lot of money, but they end up not having a lot of money, which means that they spend a whole lot more than they actually make. So what we should now be focus on is to improve on our money management skills. And yes, see, it is actually a skill to learn how to manage your money, and a whole lot of people don't actually talk about this. Learning how to effectively manage your money should be the number one skill that we should be taught in schools. But I mean, it is so unfortunate that money management is the last thing that anybody will teach us in school, and that is why we need to hold ourselves accountable and to stay disciplined. And see, as I'm talking to you, I'm also talking to myself, right? To stay accountable and disciplined on how and what exactly we spend our money on. But I know this can be very difficult for a lot of us. For us to be able to manage our money, we need to know how we should behave when we have money, how to control ourselves. There are so many people. I used to be that way. Whenever I have more money, I would just be like, oh, what do I spend this on? I need to buy this hair, I need to buy this shoe. I will not rest until I spend that money. But now that I have improved on my money management, I am now able to prioritize what is more important. So if you are watching this video and you behave the way I behave when money enters my account, I want to challenge you to change how you behave around money. That way you will eventually now know how to effectively control your emotions when you have money. Lastly, I want us to always ask ourselves, or I want you to ask yourself, am I optimizing the use of my money, or am I just spending my money based on my emotions? Am I doing a good job managing my money? If we can become really good at managing what we have, it will definitely set us up and become our foundation to now go ahead and make more money. We really don't want to get to the stage where we are constantly piling up more money on bad money habits, because at the end of the day, when you still have those habits, putting in more money will not solve the problem. You are definitely going to end up wasting that money because you haven't tackled the bad money habits that you have. If this video has been so helpful to you, I want you to please like this video, hit the like button, and if this video is a kind of video you want to be watching, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you want to know the 10 bad money habits that constantly keeps people poor, I would like for you to click on this video and watch this video to understand the habits that you are constantly doing to keep you poor. Thank you very much once again for watching my video, and until the next video, have a wonderful day. Bye.